Shugor nakaslem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ban pensuk ki brio ki Duna de khotmet ki batre ha ki office Sorkar ka Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ka badai ha po jong ka tanat social welfare jong ka Sorkar jilla ha ka jinge trailang bat ka Secretariat Administration Department bat ka Trestle Labs Private Limited Bengaluru hene ka si kala ai jing hi Kaei ki komno bakin la ban puli ki kot kisla ki bawan poi shaki Lyngba ki kor ki bor ki pamenta habaya kren bat urishap shakapur u Business Development Executive ka Kibo by Trestle Labs uloong ba ka Kibo kadai kalat ba ki Duna de khotmet khamtam kitu ki bamyo I kin la ban puli ya ki la kadai ya kitu ki Duna ha ka bor yo I bat ki bam sngo Thoh ikaktin bat ki la ru ban trei kam klem da shania ha ki weipat ula benrab da ka baong baling ba ka Kibo ki bamyo I ki khmat kin la ban puli kot kumba puli ki weipat da ka jingkershan jong ka Sorkar jilla ki Nongtrei Sorkar kin la ban pendon kam ya ka ne ka kor da ka bapen kelai ki jing Thoh shakadur jong ka sur bakin snap ushakapur ulaya Thoh ba Lyngba ka Kibo ki bapenon kam kin la ban pen kela shaki khat frajat ki ktien bat shaki hinreu phau tam ki OCR lane ki optical character recognition bat ban pen suk ya ki bamyo I ban yo e ka jing tip ka babnia habaya kren bat uwe ne ki Nongtrei Sorkar u bamyo I ki khmat uloong ba udap da ka jing snokmen ba ka Sorkar kalawan ra e ka ni ka kor bat ki don ka jing kermen ba ka ni kan pensuk iki ban trei kam ula ban rap da ka boong ba ki kor kani ka juk menta kan ai jing mento ye ki Nongtrei Sorkar bakin la ban pule ki kot kisla ki bawan shaki bat ban trei kam klem ka jing shania sha ki weipat.
So, hi everybody, my name is Rishabh. I am from Trestle Labs KBO from Bangalore. So, I am a senior business development executive here. So, what Kibo is, if I had to tell it to you in a brief, it is an accessibility tool that helps people with low vision, people with visual impairment, people with language barrier, and people with dyslexia access any form of content independently, right? So being able to access a book just as any sighted individual is. Let's say I want to read a Harry Potter book, and a visually impaired student or individual should be able to read the same Harry Potter book on his own, right? So this is the agenda, this is the vision that we are trying to achieve, and with the help of Meghalaya government, we are able to bring this to a level where all the government employees are able to access any form of document, be it printed or be it handwritten. They're able to convert it into audio and listen to it in audio. With this, they're also being able to listen to this in the language of their choice. Right, you're able to translate and listen to it in 18 plus different languages and also support 60 plus OCR languages. Right, so this is the basis of it.
Okay,
So our initial conversation already included a demo where being able to read through the local language of here and being able to access it through audio is something that is of utmost importance, right? So initially when we had a discussion, we had a long demo. This almost carried out for I think more than 6 months, and through that there has been very positive response from the government. The government has always said yes to inclusivity and made sure that no person is left behind.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
One more for this Kibo or something that you have said now. This is distributed to the department concerned or to the person, to the individual?
No, this is directly set up in the department. So anybody in the department is being able to use this. Not restricted to just one person. Any person in the department is now being able to use Kibo and access any form of document.
So how many departments you have set up this?
For now, we are running a pilot project for just the Secretariat Administration Department, where they have gotten one device for now, and through this they envision to improve this and have a bigger budget to provide this to almost everybody who is working there in the department.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have an we have been exploring this one, so we'll know when we use it.
Okay, so regarding
Very much very friendly, and it will be very helpful for every individual with persons with disability, every employee with disability.